Welcome back to CarZone 2024, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Rivian R1S, a vehicle that's set to redefine the electric SUV market. Join us as we explore the exterior design, performance features, and the history of this groundbreaking model. The 2025 Rivian R1S stands out with its bold, futuristic design. This all-electric SUV maintains the ruggedness of a classic adventure vehicle while offering sleek modern lines. At first glance, the front fascia of the R1S catches your eye with its minimalist approach. The signature LED light bar stretches across the entire front, giving it an unmistakable identity on the road. Rivian has kept the design clean and purposeful, focusing on functionality without sacrificing aesthetics. The headlights are integrated seamlessly into the body, with rounded, vertical units that complement the horizontal light bar. This not only gives the R1S a distinctive look but also enhances visibility in all conditions. Moving around the vehicle, you'll notice the sharp, sculpted lines along the sides. These lines not only add a dynamic edge to the overall appearance but also help improve the aerodynamic performance of the vehicle. Rivian's attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the exterior, from the flush door handles to the neatly tucked inside mirrors, which reduce wind resistance and noise. The wheels are another highlight, designed for both on-road comfort and off-road capability. The R1S offers a range of wheel sizes, including massive 21-inch and 22-inch options. These alloy wheels are wrapped in all-terrain tires, reinforcing the R1S's dual nature as a luxury SUV that can handle tough trails. The flared wheel arches give the SUV a muscular stance, hinting at its off-road prowess. But it's not just about looks. Rivian has engineered the R1S with a raised ground clearance of up to 14 inches, perfect for adventurers looking to explore more rugged terrain. At the rear, the clean design continues with a full-width LED light bar that mirrors the front styling. The lack of unnecessary clutter, such as excessive badging or elaborate tailpipe designs, emphasizes the R1S's commitment to electric power and sustainability. The rear also features a spacious tailgate, which is functional for both loading gear and serving as a seat when you're out in nature. As for its performance, the R1S is built on Rivian's skateboard platform, which allows for exceptional stability and handling. The platform accommodates a large battery pack, offering impressive range and power. Rivian's history as an all-electric brand rooted in adventure and sustainability shines through with this model, combining cutting-edge technology with practicality. That's a wrap for today's exterior-focused look at the 2025 Rivian R1S. Be sure to subscribe to CarZone 2024 for more detailed reviews and updates on the latest cars.